Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Halal and Delicious, and today we will be making pasta meat sauce.
We'll be using 1 pound ground halal beef, garlic, onion, salt, pepper, and tomato paste and tomato sauce.
For pasta, I'll be using 1 pound Pappardelle pasta, but you could be using any pasta you like. We're gonna saute our beef with an olive oil. Before adding any other ingredients, we have to make sure the water coming from the meat evaporates. While our meat is being cooked, we're going to be putting our pappardelle in boiling water. Because we're using pappardelle, this will only be taking 5 minutes. There's no more water in the meat. Now we're going to add our onion, garlic, salt, and pepper. Also going to add our tomato paste. Now our meat is fully cooked. Now we're going to add our tomato sauce. Our pasta is fully cooked. Now we're going to strain the water. Now our meat sauce is ready. We'll be adding it to our pasta. Now it looks good to eat. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the recipe.